Videos are for educational purposes only.
First, we're going to size our nails so they fit perfectly. Now, prep for your press-on nails with nail tips, magnetic nail holder, and reusable adhesive putty. Using your nail drill, remove an alcohol wipe and remove the dust off of the nails.
Spin a block 2 or 3 times to make sure all the cancer's gone.
This is going to be the gel polish that we're going to be using today. Hey Goddess babes, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Apply a thin layer of gel polish. Cure your press on nails for 60 seconds using a UV nail lamp.
It's always on my mind. I'm not gonna fight it.
For 60 seconds using a UV nail lamp.
Can't lie, I won't lie. It's amazing.
Apply a second layer of gel polish.
You got me so excited.
Cure your press on nails for 60 seconds using a UV nail lamp.
Your face with it, giving me a different ain't no alternate. No telling me zero tolerance with anything fucking with mine. She ain't love this way. You should better come try me, so it's gonna like me. You better understand the cause that you fucking with right now. Oh, spin a block 2 or 3 times to make sure all the cancer's gone.
This is going to be the gel polish that we're going to be using today.
You come and pick me up, no headlights. Long drive, could end in burning flames. for paradise. Taking of you. Oh, it's been a while since I have even heard from you. Heard from you. And I should just tell you to leave, cause I know exactly where it leads, but I watch us go round and round each time. You got that dreams, deep daydream look in your eye, and I got that red lip classic thing that you like, and we go crashing down. We come back every time. We never go out of style. We never go out of style. You got that dreams, deep daydream look in your eye, and I got that red lip classic thing that you like, and we go crashing down. We come back every time. We never go out of style. We never go out of style. You got that long hair slicked back, white t-shirt, and I got that good brown fade and a tight little skirt, and we go crashing down. We come back every time. We never go out of style. We never go out of style. Take me up, just take me up. Yeah, just take me up. You got that daydream look in your eye, and I got that red plastic thing that you like, and we go crashing down. We come back every time. We never go out of style. We never go out of style. You got that daydream look in your eye, and I got that red plastic thing that you like, and we go crashing down. We come back every time. We never go out of style. We never go out of style. That long hair slicked back, white t-shirt, and I got that good brown fade and a tight little skirt, and we go crashing down.
Hey Goddess Babes, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.
Daydream look in your eye, and I got that red plastic thing that you like, and we go crashing down. We come back every time. We never go out of style. We never go out of style. You got that daydream look in your eye, and I got that red plastic thing that you like, and we go crashing down. We come back every time. We never go out of style. We never go out of style. That long hair slicked back, white t-shirt, and I got that good brown fade and a tight little skirt, and we go crashing down. We come back every time. We never go out of style. We never go out of style. Feeling love, but I like it. Comfort in my life, and it's not about me. Don't you know you can't do them girls like that? Thinking that nobody finna buy me. Losing your mind, baby. Can't be sure. Time's wasting. I used to reach you. I'm sorry, I'm just here to do my job. Nice to meet you. Inside I don't feel you. I'm just covered. Let me take. We were both young when I first saw you. I closed my eyes.
Through drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels